Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Today we are going to tour my love space. I wanted to show you guys how I keep my home clean and maintain it minimal. I know it's not easy for some people, but today I wanted to share this video with you guys as I have done previously. As a family of 5, soon to be 6 with 3 little kids, it's hard to maintain this place if I do not be careful. This is how my space looked like prior to being dirty. I take care of my home. I make sure that there's no clutter, but most importantly, I love living in a simple and minimalistic home. That's what brings me joy. My love space is divided into 3, and what I have done is I have done a little movie section where we watch TV because we barely watch TV downstairs, and a dining place because I want us to have a dining room table that is not just for decor, but we can sit there and watch TV. Sit there and eat. As you guys can see, for you, this looks fine. For me, it's messy. I brought all my tools that I'm going to use and clean. So today, I'm going to show you guys how I keep this home clean and maintain it. As you see, that little vase right there, it didn't belong there. It belongs on that table. But let's see how I go ahead and clean this space. As I mentioned in the previous house tour, I'm a one-woman show. I know that I'm pregnant, but I'm not disabled. So it's not hard for me to go ahead and clean my house. Guys, since we have gone to minimalism, it has brought me so much joy. From my husband to my kids, anybody knows we do not bring clutter in. If clutter comes in and it creeps in, because most of the time I will be the one bringing it in, something has to come out of the house. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything here. I'm going to deep clean this space, and I'm going to show you guys how I rearrange my furnitures, and it makes this place look even bare than what it needs to look. And I love that. I feel like when I see white walls, I see space on the floor, it's very easy for me to be able to maintain it. I'm not feeling overwhelmed. I'm not feeling stressed. And we are also going to tour this space. So do not, skip this video. Stay tuned to see the whole house tour coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the dust, clean the mirror, clean the table, because sometimes we can think that we have a clean space until you actually remove things. You will see dust. You will see candy and paper and little things that the kids left there. As I mentioned, I am a mom of 3 little ones, so having stains, it's not unusual. You will see them, but I make sure I keep on top of it so that this house does not go crazy, guys. So let's clean this table and go ahead and continue.
With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Quick question, guys. Let me know down the comment below. Are you using your dining room table, or for your dining room table, it's a formal dining room table that you're using once a year or throughout the holiday? This is how my dining room table used to look like before. It was in the middle where the TV is set up now, and I love the way it's set up now because we are able to utilize it. I do not want my dining room table to just be used as a formal dining room table once a year. year. I want to utilize it and enjoy it every year. How are you guys using your dining room table? Let me know down the comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange this spot right here, guys. I love the fact that I removed the table and only have the 2 chairs and the sofa. I love it because it allows for easy cleanup, and I really did not need the table, guys. And the way I'm going to rearrange it, guys, it's going to make the space feel bigger, more open, and I loved it. If you feel like your setup is not correct, always rearrange your furnitures and see if you find the perfect setup. So it went from this setup, I moved all the cushions and everything from the couch, and I switched it to this simple setup, which I really love. Keep watching, guys.
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we.
The fact that I don't have a coffee table, guys, this helps reduce visual clutter, and I love it, guys. If you feel like your space is not quite where you want it to be, see if you really need a coffee table, guys. Try to minimize less furnitures in your home and see if you really can do without it. And I realize I can actually do without it, and I'm so happy. There's also a small side table that I'm trying to sell. I don't want anybody lowball me, so on Facebook Marketplace, once I sell it, it won't be here anymore. I just cannot part with it without it being sold. So I'm gonna add a throw blanket here, guys, just to add a little bit of warmth. And I love the white against the green. I think it's really pretty, and I think it's gonna be so pretty around the holidays. I love Christmas. Just in case you don't know, I'm a Christmas junkie, guys. Keep watching, guys.
And see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets.
Not only do I love a clean home, I love a home that smells good as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a little ambience. I know that the candles are a little bit close to the TV, but for the video purposes, I light up the candles for you guys, and then I blow it right off as soon as I was done with the filming the video. I did not want to burn my TV. I realized that the candles were a little bit high, but it just looks really pretty on video, and it feels so good, and it just makes the place look really cozy.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any
Let's tour the space, guys. Do you see the huge difference from where the couch was before and where it is now? How it has transformed the space. I really, really love it. I think it's a better setup this way. And I just love the color scheme here. It's very calming. Even though I have pictures on the wall, it does not feel overwhelming. And the simplicity of the IKEA chairs and table makes it very easy to maintain and clean here. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, how I keep this place very simple and maintain my home minimal. I know a lot of people ask me questions, Gladys, we see videos and things like that. However, we don't get to see what you do in the background. And this is what I do. And I hope you guys really liked it. And stay tuned for more videos. If you did like it, go ahead and click on the like button. And also, if you're new here, click on the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. God bless you guys.
Call us crazy, but